This string elephant was made by Dr. Mahasiko Eguchi of Japan, and it's in a book that he wrote all in Japanese. It's got a few other animals in it. It's based on the caribou, so I'll try and make that first. It's earlier on in my little videos, and then he put some twists into it. So begin with opening A, and then you're going to take the right index and turn it twice away from you and up again. In other words, rotate the right index string, loop rather, twice. Okay? Now, if you take the far string of the right index and put a turn towards you into that and slip it over the finger. So you're going to make an ear, and it's a clove hitch basically what you've made there. Look, can you see what you've done? Just turned it over and made a clove hitch on your finger. Now again, you're going to move these two. That will be the ears. We've got with the trunk, now it's a twisted bit, and we've got the ears. Now with the right index again, you're going to move it down and round all the strings apart from the near string, pick up the near thumb string and draw it back, releasing the thumb. That's like the caribou move. Release the left thumb as well. And now remember to rotate the index finger once, down, away and up towards you. And you'll have to do a bit of sorting out here because we've got all the twisting on the right index. Sort that out a bit, but don't drop any strings. And then you're going to slide your thumb up the side of the 3 loops that are on the right index. Just put it in there. Yep. Up the side. And now you're going to, with the right index and thumb, take hold of the left index far string and drop altogether the left index. Now pull that string through the 3 loops and drop the right hand hold you had on it. And now you're going to open it out just like caribou. This time you'll see there's a lot of twisting and you have to do a lot of sorting out. But you're going to have a baby elephant at the end of it all. Okay, so as I say, it's just a caribou move, but you put on twists at the beginning to make a trunk and a double twist around the index finger to make the ears. So practice a caribou first, which is a nice simple one, and then you'll be able to do this. Dr. Eguchi goes on to make a large elephant, which is very clever as well. It's all in the International String Figures Bulletin. The very first one, no, it's in the second or third one. I think I'm looking now, and it looks like the third one it's in. So about 1996, I think it is. And there's the little elephant. So he's rather sweet, I think.